Post-construction termite treatment claims require precise documentation to ensure proper insurance and warranty handling. Begin with a thorough pre-treatment inspection and create a detailed report that lists affected areas, species identified when possible, extent of infestation using clear terminology, and recommended treatment methods with timelines. Photograph damage from multiple angles with dated images and include close-ups of active infestation signs such as mud tubes, frass, and damaged wood grain to support loss descriptions. During treatment, document the exact products used, concentrations, application rates, treated linear feet or square footage, and technician names and licenses so insurers can verify professional standards. Provide a post-treatment report that states observable efficacy, follow-up visit schedule, and any structural repairs recommended or performed with before and after photos. Retain all invoices, material safety data sheets, and permit or disposal receipts because those tie costs to scope and validate expenses for claims or warranty work. Contact the insurer early, describe the situation, and ask which items they will consider covered so you can tailor documentation and avoid rejected line items. Common mistakes include vague reports that lack measurable details, which can lead to denials or delays. Fix this by quantifying damage and treatment scope using measurements, counts, and dated photographs. Another frequent issue is missing or unorganized receipts and invoices, which weakens recovery of treatment costs. Maintain a single, chronological claim file with originals and digital backups and include payment proof. Homeowners sometimes assume treatments replace structural repairs, causing disputes. Clearly separate pest control service reports from contractor repair estimates and coordinate with the adjuster to get authorization for specific repairs before work begins. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a forum where we discuss claim coordination, documentation best practices, and contractor experiences related to termite treatment and insurance interactions. We help contractors find leads by allowing them to present services and connect with homeowners seeking treatment and repair work, while our discussion community lets both sides exchange practical advice.